Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group and you are watching to the Market Watch review. Hong Kong, mainland China and other large Asian Pacific markets were lower. Stoxx 600 Europe is down 0.9%, the highest in 3 weeks. US futures are also off sharply. The S&P 500 appears to be heading back below the 3,800 breakout, which was seen earlier in this week. The yen is leading the G10 currencies with a nearly 1% drop today, despite higher inflation and an unchanged BOJ stance. The euro is slightly softer at $0.9950. Emerging market currencies are heavier than some Asian currencies. Gold is not being beaten by a stronger dollar or higher rates. It has fallen below $1,650 for only the third time in 3 sessions. December WTI will give back yesterday's 1.3% rise. After settling at $85.90 last week, it is now close to $87.90. Asian Pacific market. 3 developments are worth noting in Japan. As widely expected, the Bank of Japan changed its policy setting as a first step. Second, Prime Minister Kishida presented a budget of $200 billion to boost growth. It also aims to cushion rising prices. Prices are apparently rising too fast to squeeze households, but not fast enough to allow the Bank of Japan to adjust its policy. Third, Toyota's prices rose this month. CPI rose to 3.5% year-over-year from 2.8%. After reaching JPY 145 yesterday, the US dollar has recovered. In the European morning, it is trading at JPY 147.60. The Australian dollar is back at the top of the charts, near $0.6400. Market of Europe. The market interpreted the ECB 75 BP increase as dovish. The market focuses on the elimination of the over the next several meeting phase regarding hiking rates. All German states that reported October CPI data showed an increase year-over-year, which threatens the Bloomberg median forecast of a 10.9% EU harmonized rate. Germany was also surprised to estimate that it grew by 0.3% in its third quarter, rather than contracting by 0.2%. Yesterday, the euro was close to $1.01 before the ECB meeting. It traded at $0.9960 today. Today, the pullback was extended to nearly 0.9925. Sterling's recovery was halted at $1.1650. Today, it is back at 1.15. Market of America. The U.S. economy grew at 2.6% per year in the third quarter. This was slightly higher than the median estimate in Bloomberg's survey, but not as strong as the Atlanta Fed tracker. The savings rate as a percentage of disposable income appears to have fallen steadily in the first half. In the first half of the year, the savings rate as a percentage of disposable income has dropped steadily from 7.5% to 3.0% in June to 6.5% in December. This 3% print was the lowest in April 2008. Yesterday, the US dollar fell below CAD 1.35 for a brief moment. This was a new monthly low. It settled higher in the afternoon and is now back above 1.36 in Europe. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.